Alright. Today I'm changing this tailgate handle. Mine is stuck. It's work truck, as you can see, work truck. Now every time I wanna back up and my windows all tinted, smoke out, and I always towing something, and I can't see that good without camera. So today I got a camera. I'm replacing this thing with the one with the key, the lock, and the camera. Gonna be after it. So stay posted, and then I'll keep you surely. I'll walk you through it. Here, my stuff. First thing I gotta just unscrew this, all of it. It's about 14 of them all around. Then after that, I got my tool and playing around. I'm playing around in Amazon also. I'm playing around. This is stuff you're gonna need. Zip tie, something to cut the zip tie. You can have a knife. That you can screw these things and 13mm socket that's coming next. And then I got this one here, and then this set, it came with camera and a key lock. Everything is in place, all straightforward. So it's looking good. And then nice. I like the finishing on this. Alright, stay posted. Let me start this, and I'll give you a scoop. And don't forget, you're gonna need something to fish the wires. Okay, because you gotta go all the way to the cab. Now I got all the screws off. Now I'm ready to take this cover off. I'm gonna work on my handle. This is the time you're gonna need that 13mm socket to remove this bolt. After you get this bolt loose, you don't have to take it all the way off yet. Try to apply this. There's one here, one here, one here. Just clips. You see, you use a plastic device for this, and Albert Fresh sell it. You can use anything you want. I prefer this. I'm being careful. Once you pop all 3 clips off, it's supposed to come right off. You put it inside. Now you gotta have this left. Bottom bolt. And the top 2 is right there. All you need to do, remove those bolts. And the whole assembly is gonna come off. Now I got the bolt off, all systems loose. All I gotta do is disconnect this these two guys here, blue and white, plastic from the handlebars, whatever you call it. And the whole thing is gonna come off. Now that it's off, I'm gonna put it inside also. Now it's time to install the new stuff. Yeah. Now you just put things back, reverse the process, and then the color might not be the same like the old one. It had a blue and a white. This one blue and red. So they do the same job. The color, it really don't matter. After you put that handle back, the new one, the new piece, and you insert the bolt back, and then bring it close to tight. You know to tight it all the way, just enough to support it, hold it in place. Then the next thing, I'm gonna work on a wiring camera. I'm gonna fish this end from the bottom. I'm actually the handle, and then I see is a opening right here, and the gate, tailgate, right here in the passenger side. It's hard to see. Somewhere here, right here, where my fingers at. I see 7 inches from the corner of the gate on the passenger side, about 7 inches. Right there in the first line. Line it up with this, you get it. It's a hole right there once you line it up with this. Alright? The passenger side, let me back it up. The passenger side, the first line here, you follow it. The end of it is a hole right there. It's a hole right there. It's a hole. Now, remember the hole? Now, all I did, I use electric tape. I tape the end of my hanger with the end of my cable from the camera. Okay, I fish it there. Here, it came out in the hole I was telling you about. Now, I'm gonna fish it out. Now it's all the way out. Now that my camera end is out, and it's time to start wiring this. And this end is gonna go to the camera, and then this end here is gonna go to the stereo for backup camera, and you connect this end here to the power accessory. Then that's how you get your camera the way I want it, the way just like everybody else want it, because I tow so much. I want to be able to check on my load when I'm moving forward, not just when I'm backing up. So in this end here, I'm gonna disregard everything, seal it, and only connect the stereo side, and then feed it with a power there. I'll be ready to go. I'll be able to check my trailer, and also just check the camera when I'm in reverse. Alright, I cut that little tab off, and I seal it very good with electric tape, so it looks pretty good. I'm gonna connect this end with the camera end, and then have this. I'm gonna travel with it all the way to the driver's side and the cab. Alright, I'm under here. Now I'm gonna try to sneak my cable right here. And here's the one important thing I'm gonna show you. In this camera, one in the end, let me have it focus. You have a brood in the in this one. This is like a female. This is a female. This is a male. You line it up right. You're gonna go in smooth. The camera is not focusing right there. There's a little notch there, and then you go in the female, and you get good connection. When you connect it, and you don't forget to tape it also with electric tape. Good. The best to get it look like this. And a tape over it. After you hook it up there and the tailgate. Now you're gonna follow that. There's a cable here you can follow. Right there. Just go side by side with that cable right there. It's gonna lead you all the way to the front of the vehicle. Okay? Follow me. I tell you what, do yourself a favor. Get a pair of glasses. I gotta put glasses on, man. These rustic vehicles, alright? The crumbs are constantly falling off. And this is the time you're gonna need your zip lock. Every couple feet you travel, you zip lock it. Keep moving. Now I'm gonna put this in place and see how it looks like before I continue too far, to make sure I got enough slack for this gate. Alright, it's in there. Now here's your main line you're gonna follow. This gonna lead you all the way to the front. Okay, just keep following it. There it is. Keep going with it. Alright, then you come to here, right below the driver's side door, and then this is where you're gonna go with it. Right there. Look for this. Poke a hole here, and then fish it there. You're gonna go. You pull it up in the cab, and then don't forget to seal it with some kind of silicone, okay? And then from there, on the other side, you pop this plastic cover off. Put it in the side, and you pull this up. And that's where you're gonna pull your wires from inside the cab, and then just go on the side here with it, and then fit it under the dashboard. Okay, then you'll be right there by the stereo. That's how you do it. Subscribe so you can see more of this kind of video, and hit the like button. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.